Hello, my name is Juho Rasa, and in this video I'm going to talk with you about the best invention in all human history. Ladies and gentlemen, the coffee machine! Usually what springs to people's minds when mentioning a device called a coffee maker, they envision a machine like this. But that's not necessarily the case. In fact, there's a variety of different kinds of coffee makers out there.
An old vacuum brewer, straight from Poland. An electric percolator from the United States. Say hello to Wigamat, the first electric drip coffee maker from Germany. That looks like I don't know.
The process, which we call making coffee, also known as the brewing process, was first introduced in France in 1710. It's time to show you what a modern coffee maker looks like and how it functions. Enjoy! So this is my coffee machine. It's called Paulig Kapsalo and it's a capsule machine. How the beginning of the journey of brewing a cup of coffee every morning starts is by taking the water tank from the back off and filling it with fresh water. Now I put the water tank back. And this is the exciting part of the journey. Now I have to turn the machine on, which happens by pressing this little tiny button on the top. Look at this. Traffic lights. You see that single green circled button over there? Well, it's a sign of that I have to wash through the system prior to being able to brew my first cup of coffee in the morning. This ensures that no bacteria, at least I hope so, gets in my coffee. Or any other monsters. At least big ones. Now that we've watched through the system, we're ready to make some freaking coffee. Okay. So, and that happens with capsules. And speaking of those, I have a variety, a big selection of my favorite capsules. But of all these great capsules, my favorite one is this. Mexico. Okay. Mexico. Forgive me, all Spanish speakers. And so, now what? Okay. We have a handle here, which we're going to pull up. That looks like my future. Okay, just kidding. So there's a small capsule-shaped hole in the machine, and we're going to drop that in the hole. Okay. Now that the capsule's inside the machine, we're going to pull the handle down, and you will hear the noise. And now the capsule is ready to be eaten. Okay, and now let's turn the machine on again. It automatically shuts down in order to save energy, which is a good thing. So now here we have a small cup option, big cup option, and then the washing option, which we're obviously not going to use this time. You can adjust the sizes, the real sizes of these cups to your favor. And I always use the big cup. I've adjusted it to about half liters of coffee because I'm crazy. Here we go. I can hear the angel choir singing.